Hello friends, how are you once again? Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC mechanic red seal practice questions. In this multiple choice set number 33, there will be many conversion. Most of it is conversion. Alrighty, so number one, if an electric heater rated at 1 horsepower or 746 watts run for 1 hour, it would produce a 5252 BTU, 3413 BTU, 4750 BTU, or 2545 BTU. Correct answer is D, 2545 BTU. Number 2, 1 BTU is equal to 0.293 watt hour, 1055 joules, 252 gram calories, or 0.252 food calories. Correct answer is E, all of the above. All the four values are equal to 1 BTU. Interesting fact, a horse, the animal, producing 1 horsepower would burn 641 food calories in 1 hour if it were 100% efficient. Okay, number 3. So there will be many 1-ton refrigeration conversions. So knowing the values for a ton of refrigeration really helps in calculations. Okay, 1 ton refrigeration equals A, 12,660 kilojoule per hour, B, 12,000 kilojoule per hour, C, 21,660 kilojoule per hour, or D, 16,660 kilojoule per hour. Correct answer is A, 12,660 kilojoules per hour. Number 4, 1 ton refrigeration equals A, 7.4 horsepower, B, 5.2 horsepower, C, 4.7 horsepower, or D, 2.5 horsepower. Correct answer is C, 4.7 horsepower. Number 5, 1 ton refrigeration equals A, 7.4 kilowatts, B, 3.5 kilowatts, C, 5.3 kilowatts, D, 4.7 kilowatts. Correct answer is B, 3.5 kilowatts. Number 6, 1 ton refrigeration equals A, 220 BTUs per minute, B, 120 BTUs per minute, C, 200 BTUs per minute, or D, 210 BTUs per minute. And the correct answer is C, 200 BTU per minute. Number 7, 1 ton refrigeration equals A, 210 kilojoule per minute, B, 200 kilojoule per minute, C, 120 kilojoule per minute, or D, 102 kilojoule per minute. Correct answer is A, 210 kilojoules per minute is equal to 1 ton refrigeration. Number 8, 1 ton refrigeration equals A, 5 kilocalories per minute, B. 45 kilocalories per minute, C. 50 kilocalories per minute, or D. 60 kilocalories per minute. And the correct answer is C. 50 kilocalories per minute is equal to 1 ton of refrigeration. Alright, lots of conversion there, and let's go to number 9. Refrigerant flash gas formation is due to the lack of blank. A. Atomization, B. Subcooling, C. Superheat, or D. Vaporization. Correct answer is B. Subcooling. Number 10. Superheat indicates how much refrigerant is in the evaporator. If superheat is high, it means that refrigerant is low in the evaporator. For medium walk-in cooler, ideal superheat is A. 25 Fahrenheit, B. 30 Fahrenheit, C. 20 Fahrenheit, or D. 10 Fahrenheit. Correct answer is 10 Fahrenheit. For medium temperature walk-in cooler, 10 Fahrenheit superheat is the ideal. Number 11, last but not the least, subcooling indicates how much refrigerant is in the condenser. If subcooling is low, that means there is lesser refrigerant in the condenser. For systems with TXV, ideal subcooling is A. 25 Fahrenheit, B. 15 Fahrenheit, C. 5 Fahrenheit, or D. 20 Fahrenheit. Correct answer is B. 15 Fahrenheit. Alrighty, hope you learned something out of this. Lots of conversion, and wish you all the best in your Red Seal exam review. Cheers and have a good one.